Hey guys, Twitch Astro here, and today I'm going to be playing Happy Wheels. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We're going to be playing this, and sorry if that gets in the way every once in a while. Let's go by the rating, and let's refresh, and then we'll go to the classic rope. Press Z and then grab. Up and away. Oh, I'm doing it. What is this? What was I supposed to do? Tab R. There we go. Woo! No. Grab it. No. No, I'm just gonna click it because like tab R is way too far away from me. Z. Whoop. What? I'm like Birdman. I was like Birdman. Wee. Restart. And I'm gonna name this guy Birdman. Birdman to the rescue. No, Birdman. No. Click, go. I press Z. Grab, you little Birdman, grab. I'm gonna sit down. Restart. Z. Grab, you stinking Birdman. Come on, just fall off. Whoa. No, Birdman. Oh my life! I'm just kidding. That's an old guy McFarty-kins. No, don't leave me to die. Grab. Oh, what? I grabbed. I'm in a really uncomfortable position right now, but I'll do this for you guys. Oh, don't fall. Hold on. Let me fix the camera real quick. Okay. Grab the rope. Swing. Grab. My arm! My arm fell off. Bye, arm. Don't need you. Come on. Grab it. Grab it. No. Grab. Lift, I tell you, lift. Ah, I did good that time. Restart. Let me fix the camera a little more. There we go. Z, grab onto the rope, swing. No, oh, look at me, I'm a cheerleader. Oh, I think that I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna sing that song. Restart. Z. Grab. Swing. Grab. Yay. I'm doing it, guys. Wee. Grab. You better grab. Grab it. Grab. I got it. No, not this again. I hate this. I just gotta grab something. Come on. Arm. You can do this. Grab. No. I can do this. Come on, backflip. Ooh, skills. Show them your skills. Show it. No. I keep on letting go too early and it's getting so annoying. Grab, Birdman, thank you. I believe I can fly. Superman. Restart. Like always. I'm sorry if there's no audio in this video. It's just gonna be me talking. I might put some background music, but yeah. Birdman, you suck. Birdman sucks. Wee, and wee. What just happened? Nah, dude, I can't do this one. So, we're gonna do the longest ninja spike ball I see. Why is it so ninja-y, huh? I'm a ninja! Too far, too far, too far. Come on. I got it. Ninja! There it is. First try, totally first try, yeah. No! Why you do this to me? Restart. Wait. No! I accidentally went too fast. Perfect. I nailed it. Totally first try. What? I got this, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Gotta have the amazing hops and a fall. If this doesn't make it, are you kidding me? I'm alive, right? No. What should I call this guy? Not gonna steal Segway Steve because somebody already has it. I'm alive. See my foot? I'm alive. Come on. Wiggle. I'm dead. Alright, guys. Ready for this? It's gonna be so awesome and so beautiful. Nailed it. There it is. Perfect. So majestic. Yes. Spike fall backwards. Ooh. I'm going up, aren't I? Oh no, just literally backwards. Okay. I can handle these. First try. MLG first try. Let's go. Oh, MLG. Oh, Pogo. Perfect. I nailed it, guys. Wee. Too far. Come on, why can't I just choose someone else? Why does it have to be Pogo Perry? That's his new name. Come on. I'm alive. Totally not. Man. Woo! Perfect. Guys, I'm so majestic. Woo! I'm alive. Pogo. Get out of this. Pogo. Exercise. Hubba-dubba-doo. Man. Woo! No. I'm a majestic butterfly. Man. Restart. Look at the majestic unicorn or butterfly, whatever I said before that, I forgot. But look at it. Look at this. Oh gosh. I'm alive. See my leg? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I'm actually moving. 9, 10, 11, 12. It's like every day of when you have to go to the gym. Come on. So close. Only 5 more minutes. Just kidding. Woo! Oh no. Alright. Here we go. Come on. Why aren't I going the farthest of the ninjas? Ah, up. Worm. Do the worm. Do the worm. Alright, hold on. Let me just back up a little. I'll go up. Land. How did I go so far that time? Yeah, I can't do that when I'm actually not trying to go far. See that? Oh, I did it! I went to the black area. What did it say? I can't read it that fast. Woo! No. No! I think it's... Oh, PewDiePie. Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh. I love Chipotle. Yes, let's go. Alright guys, but that's not the end of the video. I just want to talk to you guys about something. So we're about to hit 25 subscribers. And my plans for that is that I'm probably going to do a 1v1 either with Drago, my cousin Adrian, not my cousin that I made the Minecraft Let's Play with because she's not good at it. Not at all. Like, no, not good at it. Maybe I could do it with my clan leader, the clan co-leader, clan member. You guys tell me what you want. And also, go check out this guy's channel. He made my my new logo. If you guys haven't seen it yet, go check out my new logo, and my banner. But he made it, so I'm gonna leave his YouTube and I'm gonna leave a link to his YouTube in the description below. Go check him out. He just hit 200 subscribers. Real cool guy, RH Gaming. So yeah, here, like, if you guys haven't seen my new logo, here it is. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's Happy Wheels. I think that next time that if I can't do it in under the first 10 tries, I'm probably going to move on to the next level. Tell me guys what you think about that, but sorry for such little gameplay, but yeah, it's Twitch Astro here and out.